Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to build a high-converting landing page in Wix. In 2026, the strategy has shifted toward extreme simplicity and mobile speed, and these steps relate perfectly to each other to turn your visitors into customers. First, you need to start with a zero distraction layout. When you open the Wix editor, go to the Pages menu and add a new landing page. The most important thing here is to remove your header and footer. A high-converting page should have no navigation links at the top because you don't want people clicking away to your About or Contact pages. You want them to stay focused on your one single offer. Next, focus on your above-the-fold content. This is the area people see before they start scrolling. You need a benefit-driven headline that solves a specific problem and a high-quality hero image or short video that reinforces your message. Right under that headline, place your primary call to action or CTA button. Make sure the button color high contrast with your background, like a bright orange button on a dark blue section, so it is the first thing the eye hits. The next connected step is building trust through social proof. As visitors scroll down, they need to see that other people trust you. Use a strip in Wix to add a row of client logos or a testimonial slider. In 2026, adding a small video testimonial is much more effective than just text. Below your proof, add a features and benefits section using a 3-column grid. Focus on the benefits, how the product helps the user, rather than just listing technical specs. Finally, simplify your conversion point. If you are using a form to capture leads, keep it short. Asking for just a name and email can increase your conversion rate by over 100% compared to long forms. Before you hit publish, open the Wix mobile editor. Since over 80% of traffic is now mobile, you must ensure your CTA button is large enough to tap easily and that your images aren't slowing down the page load time. That is literally it. If this quick design tip helped you build a page that actually converts, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to A/B test 2 different headlines in Wix next, and I will see you in the next video.